How to enable or disable block pop-ups from website on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. After that, scroll down and then tap on Internet Privacy Protection. Next, we scroll down and tap on Block Pop-ups. So tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on block pop-ups. Now, I highly recommend you turn it on. Tap on the left-hand side panel, and here it will say prevent website from showing pop-ups in new tabs. If there are pop-ups showing, it will show you a list here. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.